Test number 26 and 27, they are all about the leaderboards, and 26 will control that our leaderboard works perfectly for A-level leaderboard, and 27 will say that our GCSE leaderboard works perfectly. So control that, we run the program and go to help. First of all, go to A-level leaderboard, and as you can see, it's showing us the top part as it should do, and the scores they are all in uh, they are they're from the highest to the lowest. And for further improvement, we can go to DB browser and see the scores. And for A level, as you can see, the highest is 100%, and it goes to this point to the 40% because we have a 90% here. So for A level, our leaderboards work perfectly. Now let's try with the leaderboard of GCSE, and we have 100, 98, 89, and 80. Yeah. So we go to DB browser, and for GCSE, maximum is 100, and 98, 80, 80, and we got a 89. So yeah, our leaderboard also for the GCSE works perfectly.